Welcome to AM Auto Master Car, your go-to channel for everything on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you love cars, technology, and luxury, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content. Today, we are diving deep into the all-new 2025 Range Rover, a masterpiece of luxury, innovation, and power. The 2025 Range Rover continues the legacy of elegance and refinement. The design remains unmistakably Range Rover, but with subtle enhancements that give it a more futuristic and aerodynamic appeal. The new grille design, sharper LED headlights, and a more sculpted body make it look even more premium. The flush door handles and smooth body lines contribute to a sleek and modern appearance. Step inside, and you'll be greeted with ultimate luxury. The 2025 Range Rover features premium materials, from fine leather to wood and metal accents. The new floating 13.1-inch touchscreen seamlessly integrates with the latest Pivi Pro infotainment system, offering a more intuitive and responsive experience. The digital driver display, paired with an advanced heads-up display, ensures that all essential information is right in front of you. Comfort has always been a top priority, and this new model takes it to another level. The executive rear seat package turns the back seats into a first-class experience, with reclining seats, massage functions, and individual entertainment screens. The Meridian Signature sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, making every ride a pleasure. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Range Rover offers multiple powertrain options, including a refined inline-six, a powerful V8, and an advanced plug-in hybrid model. The hybrid variant now boasts an extended electric range, making it an excellent choice for those who want power and efficiency combined. With Land Rover's legendary all-wheel drive system, air suspension, and terrain response too, this SUV remains unstoppable on any surface, whether it's city streets, muddy trails, or snowy mountains. Technology is at the heart of the 2025 Range Rover. It comes equipped with the latest driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 3D surround camera for effortless parking. The new remote parking feature even allows you to park the vehicle using your smartphone. And let's not forget the advanced AI-powered voice assistant that makes controlling various functions easier than ever. Practicality is another strong suit. The iconic split tailgate remains, offering versatility and convenience. The cargo space is generous, and with the fold-flat seats, you get even more room for your adventures. Whether you're heading to a luxury resort or exploring the wild, the Range Rover has you covered. The 2025 Range Rover is more than just an SUV, it's a statement of prestige, capability, and innovation. It redefines luxury while staying true to its rugged roots. Whether you're drawn to its stunning design, cutting-edge technology, or legendary performance, this Range Rover is built to impress. That's it for today's review of the all-new 2025 Range Rover. What do you think of this luxurious SUV? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AM Auto Master Car for more amazing automotive content. See you in the next video.